Right now, there is a file about you sitting inside ChatGPT, and in the next few minutes, I will show you how to read every word of it. Your job, your family, your health worries, that thing you mentioned months ago, at 2 in the morning. ChatGPT wrote it all down, and it never asked you. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what is in your file, the one sentence that makes ChatGPT confess everything, and how to delete it in 30 seconds. But first you need to see how the file gets written, because it is sneakier than you think. Every single time you chat, ChatGPT is quietly running a second job in the background. It is deciding, is this worth remembering? Mention you are a nurse? Saved. Mention your daughter's name? Saved. Mention you are stressed about money? Saved. Sometimes, if you look closely, a tiny gray label flashes above the answer. 2 words, memory updated. Most people never notice it. It fades fast, and it looks harmless. But that label means a brand new line was just written into a hidden document about you. Engineers have a name for this document. The model set context. I just call it what it is. Your file. And it is not code. It is plain English sentences, secretly pasted into every new conversation you start. That is why a brand new chat somehow knows you are a vegetarian, or that you code in Python, or that you hate long answers. It is not magic. It is your file, being read back to the machine before you even type a word. Now here is the part almost nobody knows. The file is not just what you told it. ChatGPT also infers things about you, things you never actually said. Ask for an email your boss will approve, and it learns something about you and your boss. Ask about baby sleep schedules at 3 in the morning, and it learns you are a new parent, and probably exhausted. Ask it to explain things simply a few times, and it quietly adjusts how technical it thinks you are. Piece by piece, it assembles a profile. Your job, your family, your mood, your writing style, your fears. Not because it is evil, because the profile makes its predictions about you sharper. Remember what this machine really does. It predicts the next word you want to read. And a file about you is the ultimate cheat sheet. So let's read your file. Right now, open ChatGPT and type this exact sentence. Based on everything you remember about me, describe who I am. Include every detail you know. The first time people try this, there is usually a silence. And then, how does it know that? It will list your job, your projects, your family situation, sometimes your insecurities, in neat little bullet points. And if you want to go one level deeper, ask this. What have you inferred about me that I never directly told you? That is the one that opens the shadow file. The guesses, the reading between your lines. Try it after this video. Now let me show you where the raw file actually lives and how to take control of it. This takes 30 seconds. Open Settings, then Personalization, then Memory. There is a button called Manage. Tap it. That is the file. Every saved line about you, in plain English. You can delete any single line with the little trash icon. Gone forever. You can wipe the entire file with Clear All. Or you can switch memory off completely. One toggle. It never writes another word about you. But there is a second switch almost everyone misses. It is called Reference Chat History. Even with memories off, that switch lets it mine your old conversations for clues. Turn it off too, if you want true silence. And for one-off sensitive questions, use a temporary chat. Nothing gets saved. No file. No history. No trace. So, should you burn the whole file? Honest answer, maybe not. Because memory is also the reason ChatGPT stopped giving you generic beginner answers. It knows your tools, your diet, your goals. So it skips the lecture and answers like someone who knows you. Delete everything, and tomorrow morning it treats you like a total stranger again. So the smart move is not delete or keep. The smart move is curate. 3 rules, and you are safer than 99% of users. Rule 1. Audit your file once a month. Open Manage, read what it saved, and delete anything that feels too personal. Rule 2. Health problems, money problems, legal problems. Those never go into permanent memory. Temporary chat exists for a reason. Rule 3. Feed the file on purpose. Tell it your goals, your style, your preferences, the things you want remembered. Because a file about you is only creepy when someone else is holding the pen. And here is the bigger truth. Every AI you use is heading exactly this direction. Your email assistant, your phone, your search engine, they are all starting to keep files. Personal AI memory is becoming the default, and most people will never even know their file exists. But you do. You know where it lives. You know how to read it. And now you are the one holding the pen. The most dangerous file is the one you do not know exists. So go read yours. The exact prompts are in the description below. This is Simplyy AI, where we show you what is really happening under the hood. If this changed how you will use ChatGPT, hit subscribe. We expose one AI secret exactly like this every single week.